To another video. Today we're going to be playing Scrap Mechanic episode 3. Done a lot of progress. That's why I haven't been uploading much, because I've been busy. First of all, I've been busy. I have been getting annoyed and playing this and other games. So yeah, I've got super bored over the time. So my mic went really quiet there. Don't know if you heard me just, but I said sorry if my mic went quiet. So first of all, the new update is that we've got cows. So what I've done here is that we've got 2 layers of wood here and here, and 2 layers of metal. This place is so you can tell that it is damaged from the bots. So we place this corn here instead of it being super weak there. Done it on the other side too. So we've got 2 cows. We used to have 3, but I just realised that a farm bot can jump up this. There we go. We got this from a glitch, so every single day we get some nice little things out of the year. So I'll probably show you that glitch in future times. First of all, we still got this guy. Hello, dude. Instead of there being like a ton of crap here, so rubbish, we've got all of the seeds from raiding, empty, 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 empty. These are all of my stuff I had here, and over here, we've pretty much kept it. We've got more soil. We've got just pretty much same things here. The car hasn't got any upgrades, but I'm planning to actually make a drill today. Make a refinery bot, a resource collector car. What's going to be this? It's going to be a mining car, a looting car. Yeah, it's just going to be an OP car. I've got a ton of components, like a ton. Like I think I've got like I actually don't know how much I've got, but I've got a lot. We can easily make this soon, so then we're going to show you the resources what I've got. So over here, here's the milk and the corn. Here's all of the tomatoes what I've grown. Components, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 50 components. You've got a lot of scrap wood, a lot of scrap metal. Got a lot of what are these called? I can't remember what they're called, but these things. We've got a little system here. There's nothing underneath here except from shallow stuff. So if we get pistons, we can place stuff under here. Oh, we can even fit down here. We can put like secret stuff down here. We'll probably just need to reinforce it a little bit more. We've got chemicals, a little bit of ember, a little bit of that, some glass, and I think, oh yeah, and 50 is that. Here's my wheat farm. Not my wheat farm. I'm thinking of Minecraft now. My farm. We've got metal on the outside. We've got a little door what farm bots can't go through, but I haven't tested that. But I believe that they can't go through. We can just barely even fit through. If that was one smaller, we'll if this was too small, we'll be able to fit in. I already did a lot of these. I went slow with my car. It's obviously really bad. That's why I want to upgrade it today. Okay, you're not one of my lost cows. So comment down below what you want me to do in the next Scrap Mechanic episode. I'd love to know. So, oh yeah, we've got a ton of wood, paint, cardboard. So if you ever want to paint stuff, off we go. cardboard for that little dude over there, and that's all that we've crafted. I don't know where my connector is actually, so just give me a second to fix this. So yeah, I have got it now. Yay me. So this car is definitely gonna get an upgrade. So first of all, let's start building that. We're gonna actually we haven't got any beeswax, have we? Okay, we need to go exploring for some beeswax. I'm actually gonna do that off camera. If you want me to do it on camera, drop it inside the comments. If you want to watch my first and second episode, I think there's a third. Might be the fourth actually. Okay, it is a third. Okay, I really need to go and get a spud gun. I actually think that I can get it soon. So you might need to go and take a trip to the trader just to see how much the thing really is. This is why I want the I'm gonna make a staircase right here. Oops. Is that good enough? I feel like we can easily just... Yeah. We can jump up that anyway. Okay, perfect. So that's what I've done. I'm probably gonna start building underneath, but first of all we're gonna start working on the car. Okay, what do we need to build actually? Stronger metal? Yeah, okay, we don't have water. So we need to learn. Oh, can you make? You can make water. So you need regular water. We also need to build a water system, obviously. We'll probably actually work on that tonight. What do you need to make water cannons? Because well, I know that you need this. Okay, we need beeswax. So what I want to do in the next episode of we will do the so we will build the water container. Not next. Yeah, maybe next video. Because what we need to do is that we need to make the vacuum pump, the water container. Yeah. The water container, what we also need beeswax for. And then we need to make the water cannons, what's even more beeswax, plus components. But I mean, I'll probably go and component run again. I want bigger, fatter wheels. Just means that we need more beeswax, a little bit of metal, and wood. What we've got plenty of in here. No, in here. So we're actually gonna, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna level him up first. There we go. So he's a level 5 now. Don't know when we'll ever need that, but was I gonna forgot what I was gonna use. Okay, a drill. I need to build this. Oh, we don't have water, that's what I need. Okay, I remember now what I'm doing. I just forgotten. This to make water. But I mean, we can just craft this and go get water. That should be enough buckets. So we're gonna let those do that. And we're gonna start to break this down. And start to rebuild it. Oh, okay. And we're gonna build this out of wood and then do the surrounding as tier 3, I think. I think that's what I wanted to build it out of. Okay, we've got gasoline, we need to stock up on that soon. Got to switch that, light, more wheels obviously. An engine, a wheel, and then we've got this. Just gonna fill these 4 buckets up. There we go. Buckets are filled up. You can just see the craft spot. I actually really like this extension part because we can just fill the whole entire inside with other things. So we'll just dunk it. So we would just most of them, yeah, I left like 1.5. More buckets to fill up. I think there's one more that's filling up. Crafting, sorry. So yeah, we'll just wait for this one to craft up. Then we will. If you see some, oh, we need pipes. Of course, we do need pipes. I'm thinking. So we should only need 3 for 1 wheel. So altogether we need 12. Hopefully my calculations are right. They're most likely not, but we'll see. You know, I actually think that's where bosses spawn. Oh yeah, we still got some soil over there what we can bring over if you wanted to, but I feel like the farm's big enough already, because I feel like if you get bigger, then so we need more of this. Did it give you a single water bottle? Yes, okay. What do we need the water for? This. So grab the water, bring it over here. Oh, it gives you the water back? The bucket's back? Hell yeah, so you can just keep on filling this up if you want to. Okay, it's definitely gonna go inside one of these chests. Test that on a second. Bonk dunkunks. So that's what water containers also do, is fill up water. So how much do we need? Don't know, let's check. 20, so we're gonna craft more. But we're out of ember, what should be fine because we got ember right over there. There we go. Number 1 drill. We can add more to it too. So let's get to work on this. So we also want to do a tier 3 block about 2 layers thick all around it. Maybe? Don't think we will. So we're gonna add a lot of this wood, about 3 stacks. And then we will begin to start to make it. Yeah, that should be big enough. Trying to think of how I want this. Okay. Right. Let's think. Believe that this should be white. Right, not white. I'm trying to think, hold on. Here's what happens with my brain. Can't see because I'm on the left. Oh my gosh, I'm a genius! Look at that! Yay! Okay, do I want a 4-wheel turning? Yeah, we'll do 4-wheel turning. Which means that we need to craft more bearings, which will be fine. So 6 more pipes to go. 6 more current turning pipes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's only 8. 9. Forgot that I don't need to collect anymore. Bearings now. How many bearings do I want? And where are the bearings? Yeah, so I think we just need 3 more. I believe that we only need 3 more. Hopefully, we only need 3 more. So I'll see you when after these are built. Oh no, we need 1 more bearing for the piston. No, not the piston. La 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 la. We need one more bearing? Yeah. So we should have all the pipes. Perfect. More bearings, so I think I need 9. Oh, I don't need 9 at all. Oh, that's fine. Oh, why am I doing a 4-wheel drive? Okay, we have to level it up. I don't know how many things we need to connect to this. I kind of just want to waste components just on like the. I feel like we'll add stuff future for this. It's U to upgrade, not E. Oh, well, the C was easy. Oh, that looks cool. Sick. I'm on the left still, aren't I? Right, now. Okay, we need some gasoline. Gas thing. There we go. Got quite a lot, actually. We got a little bit extra if I run out. 21 to be exact. Oh no. 29 to be exact. It's becoming night, so that's even worse. So we got the light. We'll definitely need to add more to this. This. 20. Oh, that's lovely. Okay. Have you finished? You have finished. Yeah, I accidentally added a lot more drills than I actually wanted. So, do I want the drills on the back of the vehicle or in the front? For now, we'll do the front. Actually, when I do the front, then I have to move the vehicle back. Okay, fine. So, the vehicle, the seat, sorry, not the vehicle. One block should be fair enough. Ah, off center. Okay, I'll work on that in a second. So we've got that so we can turn it. So where these gas things are, actually no, where this is. I want to build a column up. So. Ooh. Is that the center actually? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. Okay, so we'll extend this by 1 minute. So we can place a seat here. It's gonna be annoying me, so I'm just gonna add this here. Oh yeah, we need to add the chests on the back. It's fine. Where's my components on there? No, I have 6 left. We haven't, first of all, we haven't connected this to here. doing. Yeah, we need to add the drill. Literally forgot about the drill. I just realised that this won't work without a controller. No, maybe. Might be able to. We just need. We can craft a controller. We just need 3 more glues. But I'll see you when I have 3 more glues. Let's go. Right, crafting up. So we're gonna craft up a switch. So I finished doing the glue things now. Okay, 2. I literally forgot what I was doing. A controller. We need to wait for that switch to do. But we've got glue now, if we ever do need it. Right, switch. Nope, okay, we need a controller. Crafting a controller for the very first time. Like my singing, guys. After we've built this, I think we'll end the video. Well, do it on the test drive, on the rock. Oh, I just realized that we need to like level this up. Should we ask thrusters? Oh, they're expensive. Never mind. Do a horn? That'll be fun to play with. Yeah, we're gonna do a horn too. Should we do another light? Yeah, we're gonna do another light. Actually, another 2 more lights. Do we get a toilet seat? Because people say that you can glitch through ceilings. Yeah, we'll get the toilet seat. The sensor? Not yet, no. Ooh, paint tool. Yes, please. You can't craft a weld tool. It's fine. The controller finished and I didn't even realise it. I've used a controller before, so we're gonna put this on a 360. Oh, we need it faster than that. And then it just resets. I just wanted to keep on going. I don't even know if you need a controller to do this, but whatever. I think I found a rock. Oh, but you can speed it up now. Oh. Right, turning's wrong. First of all, let's slow it down the speed. Okay, turning's wrong. car's going mental. Okay. Like a pushing machine. We can add pushing machines to the front of it. Okay, we'll do that next. So next video we'll add pushing machines onto the front so we can push rocks. So next video we'll probably get a refinery bot, and we need to add the There's a rock seriously there. Okay, we need a... We figured out the turning. So, everyone, comment down below what you want me to do next on Scrap Mechanics Survival Episode 4. See you guys in the next video. Bye! That's the spot where it's gonna get.